So we heard from the independent verification service Promo Veritas that the winner of the BOTB lifestyle competition this week is Nathan Orme. He has won himself the absolutely fantastic Rolex GMT-Master II Pepsi, which is really, really cool, and we're going to give him a call in a second to give him the good news. First though, let's have a quick look at last week's skilled competition question, which was, which of the following vehicles are fully electric? Now there is, I've spotted a Toyota in there and also a BMW i8 as well, both of which are hybrid but not fully electric. The only car that is fully electric is, in the top right, the Tesla Model S. That is completely fully electric. Nathan got that right, and he was randomly selected as this week's winner, so let's give him a quick call and give him the good news. Is that Nathan?
Hi Christian.
Oh, you know who I am already. How are you doing?
I do indeed.
How's your day going, Nathan?
Well, not too bad. It's the beginning of my day because I was trying to avoid getting up because I've got to prepare for a trip where I'm going away for a few days tomorrow morning. So it's definitely a welcome surprise seeing you.
Well, I did see on your account when we did a bit of digging today, on your account, it says you're off tomorrow, I think it is.
Yes, tomorrow morning I'm off to Riyadh I'm assisting to the hospitality for an event there.
Oh wow!
That they're putting on. So it's the first time for me in the region and potentially doing this sort of job even for a short term. So it's a nice welcome surprise, obviously doing that role and obviously now having this opportunity to speak to you.
Well, it's going to be a good day for you, and if you're working in hospitality and you're feeling a little bit nervous about the next few days, we are more than happy here at BOTB. We can come out and test all of the drinks for you, all of the food. We'll be more than happy.
That sounds perfect. I mean, I'll just sit back and enjoy 4 or 5 days off.
Brilliant, yeah, sounds good to us. Sounds good to us. Nathan, there's a reason why I'm giving you a video call this morning, and that is because you entered into our lifestyle competition last week. Nathan, I'm pleased to say you are this week's winner, and you have won the brand new Rolex GMT-Master II Pepsi edition.
That is fantastic. Yeah, I'm totally thrilled with that news. That is specifically the sort of watch that I've been looking for.
So it is just over £7,000 worth of Rolex.
Yeah.
So Nathan, what made you play for this watch? You said it was obviously a watch that you'd love to own one day. You can't obviously quite afford one. Not many people can afford a £7,000 watch. So what made you want to play for the Rolex?
For me, it's just, I mean, I play the car competition every week, and I think I've played it just over a year now or so. And then I've played the lifestyle competition on and off generally. I've typically just played for the watch really, or a similar watch. But yeah, I mean, it's just fantastic really to be able to get that chance to actually have it now with minimal hassle and financial expense.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. And where do you think you'll wear? Do you think you wear it all the time? Do you think you wear it only for nice occasions?
Yeah, I think it depends really. You know, it's not the sort of thing you want to flash around all the time. But yeah, no, it's something that I'll definitely look after and just sort of treasure, because obviously the value of it is definitely, especially on the outside market, you know, people want that watch.
People do want that watch, and you've just won one, so massive congratulations. Enjoy your time away. I know it's not really a holiday, but I'm sure you might be able to sneak in a beer at some point.
Yeah, no, that's fantastic. I really appreciate that.
Not a problem. Well, have a great day. Enjoy your time away, and we'll talk to you when you get back.
That's great. Thanks again, Christian.
No worries. Cheers, Nathan. Bye.
Take care now. Bye-bye.
Nathan Orme winning that fantastic Rolex GMT-Master II Pepsi that we have in the BOTB lifestyle competition. If you weren't this week's winner, not to worry, the skilled competition question is live again at BOTB.com. If you answer it correctly, you never know, you might just be next week's winner. Best of luck.